In the following videos, some functions are presented which are used often, especially in the context of business and analysis. What do we have here? We have a small calendar which could be used in a small company. You see we have week 23. In this row you see each employee of this company, and in the columns you see the Monday, Tuesday, the days of the week. And what is recorded in this calendar is if people are off or if they take overtime, do overtime. A V stands for vacation, an I stands for ill, T is travel, W is on a workshop. And if a number is entered, it simply means somebody has done overtime. So 1 hour of overtime, 2 hours of overtime. Now, the controlling department would like to know how many days we do have with vacation, with illness, and so on. So basically, you should count how many V's are in this table. Of course, as this table is very small, this can be easily deducted, but we can simply suppose it would be a much bigger table. And then we have some functions all starting with count. So if I'll enter here a function equal with COU, then you see we have count, count A, count blank, count ifs, and so on and so on. And this we would like to have a look into. So the function count simply counts all cells which have a number inside. So if I mark these cell ranges, then all cells are counted which do have a number. If I enter one more with the number 5, then I have a fourth day with a 5. Important, these numbers are not summed up, they are simply counted. So each cell is taken into account which includes a number. And this one I have used in here, days with overtime. Then there is another function, count A. This counts all functions which have some value inside. So here we have 11 with the character, a V, an I, a W. And there's others with the numbers. So to simply see how many days of absence we do have, I have to first do a count A and then subtract those with the overtime, which I can grab by count. And what you can see here is count A minus C12, where I already counted the numbers. Now I would like to know how many of these cells contain a V. Now count if is an option. I'll enter count if, and then you see 2 arguments are required. The first one is the range. I have now selected the range. And the second one is I would like to have a V in there. I better put these quotation marks around. And you can see now I have 2. If I enter a third one, give more vacation, you can see the number increases to number 3. Now, this is not a good way to do this, because now I have entered a constant. It's better to refer to a cell, and that's what I've done in here. So you can see I have marked my range. I have used these dollars simply to make it autofillable down. And I have then referred in the second argument to the value, to the cell B8, where I have put the V in. And now I can still find my 3, but I can move it down and find all the other values as well. So again, count is a very powerful function. Count A, count if S, if you have several constraints to be fulfilled before counting, are powerful, and they are often used. So make yourself aware of it.